Hello, everybody talking about Labubu, but there's also plenty of so-called Lafufu, which is fake Labubus. And I got both, this one is Lafufu, this one is Labubu. I spent a lot of time getting this one from official app of the popmart, and it is the same one as the one I got fake. So the fake one I got at a gas station. The real one I got at the official app, and I know which one it is because they have a sticker here. When you purchase this on app, even so it's a blind box, before it gets shipped, you get to see what's inside. And the sticker tells which one out of this is inside of this box. Even now, without opening, I can tell this one is heavier. The real one, a little bit heavier than the fake one. Okay, this is how real one gets delivered, and this one I just bought at a gas station. Смотрим, открываем. This is such a big difference from the first look. This was all shiny. This one just black. No change of color, nothing. And oh wow, the real one, when you touch the box and the letters, it's like it's been engraved or something. You can feel the grooves. Yes, at the edge of the head and the whole character here, you can feel the grooves, and on the letters as well. On the fake one, you can't feel anything. It's just a print. Okay, this side, and here on the back, there's nothing on the fake one. On the real one, has this barcode, and if I scratch this off, I'm gonna get the number here. So if I scan this QR code, it's gonna take me to a website. I put this number, and it's gonna confirm authenticity of this item. All right. And see, this has a little sticker on top that tells which one I have here, because as I said, when I order it on the popmart app, it kind of towards the end, when you order it, it's a blind box all the way till the end, but when you pay for it, it lets you to see what's going to be inside. All right. Well, let's open up. Wow. What? Look at this. It has a little card. Luck! It's a lucky one, luck. See? Look at this, nice. Nice. Wow. Yeah. Hiya! Ayo! Ayo! This is a real Labubu. The fake one, I can tell you right now, it was just some kind of plastic packaging. I didn't save it, okay? I already opened it, I didn't save it. Oh! What? Alright, the real one, you can stand, right? Somewhat. The fake one, no. Ay, ay, ay. So, let me tell you, the real one, as you can see, is is smaller. It's more compact. This one is wider and bigger, the fake one. And it's kind of firmer, way firmer. This one is too squishy, really squishy. The color is similar actually, and the pedicure is done as well. Oh, the feet is different, huh? Yeah, feet is different, and hands are different. The color of the plastic that used for this one is darker, the fake one. Okay. The fuzziness of the ears, pretty similar actually. But look, the real one, purple on this side ear. I don't know. What the big difference though, it's at the teeth. You can tell on the fake one, the teeth painted like over, and they just even mismatch, like the painting on the teeth missing the actual teeth, and the painting on the nose too. The real one though, everything on point. The teeth, the nose, the eyes, everything on point. Would you tell the difference if you just look at those two? The size though, the size gives up. This one I got on a gas station for 25 bucks. This one on the app for $29, but after shipping, because it comes from China all the way, it is $35 with shipment, okay? If you try to buy real one, it's really hard to find unless you overpay, and you can get real one for like $60, $50. What do you guys think? Is it worth it? You feel the difference? This one is real, this one is fake. Please subscribe to my channel to support it. Put comments, likes, let me know if you were going on a hunt for those Labubus.